Hi everyone. Today we'll show you how to add Subscript in Canva. This is useful for formatting chemical formulas, equations, or giving your text a more professional look. On the Canva dashboard, we'll start by inserting some text so we have an example to work with. We'll use A2, C3, and B4. As you can see, this is currently normal text. To apply Subscript, we need to highlight the part of the text we want to change. In this case, let's select C3. With the text highlighted, we now need to open the formatting options. To do that, click on Advanced Settings. From there, click on More Settings. Here, we can see a formatting section. Under that, look for Text Position. The Subscript option is in the bottom row of options. Go ahead and click on it. And there we go. The text is now displayed as a subscript. We can do the same for other characters. To make the letter A a subscript, just highlight the A and click Subscript. To apply it to multiple characters, simply highlight them all and do the same. And that's how we add Subscript in Canva. It's a simple way to format text more precisely and make our designs look great.